Jandiko marwa en Belinda Phillips, nyinga Lydia Okeyo. Achich moro mar kuodhok otho heyo ma obila yango ni en mar deruok. Tesend obila ma Ngegu e sub county mar Rangwe county ma Homa Bay bang' kano tere tesend obila no. Achij no ma oseyang nyinge ne Wycliffe Omondi. Obila wacho ni nyodin ne tesend obila ma Ngegu odhiambo manyoro bang' yude gi dhiang' ma ochich ni ne okwalo. Kata kamano obila lero ni ne ojuke ka owito ngimane e oderuok e otieno. Kaluwore gi komanda mar obila e kaunti ma Homa Bay Lawrence Koilem, Achij no nyotiyo gi tond wuoche e oderuok e sel kanyo. Koilem wacho ni Achij no ne rik ni e sel kende ng'at achiel sama no timo timno ka otiyo gi tond wuoche ne. Ringre otere kar kano ringre ma Homa Bay kano nonro dhi nyime.
May 2026 at about 21:00 hours, that's 9 p.m. The OCS and the cell sentries discovered that one Wycliffe Omondi Dengu, who is 24 years old, had committed suicide in police cells. This was a person who was in custody because of the offense of stock theft, which was reported just yesterday about a loss of a cow. So the officers after the report followed up the theft, and he was indeed found with a cow driving towards Ngegu Bay. So the cow was recovered, and then he was taken to Ngegu police station for the offense of stock theft. He committed the suicide by hanging himself in the ventilators holes using a string. I think that's the time when he was called to pick his supper. That's the time maybe he obtained the rope from his own shoes, which were just next to the report office.